Even in these chaotic times, the world keeps on spinning. And with the pandemic, the economy, social distancing, health concerns, businesses closing and people being laid off, it's enough to make our heads spin. The question is, how can we get back to normal, whatever normal is? With the holidays here, I have an idea. Send family and friends a hug. A virtual hug, that is. Hey, send me a hug too. I know I need them. Then do something for yourself. Have fun. Do something different, like what I do. Cook something and share the recipe. Learn something new, like writing a book. I did that too. Spend time with friends without really being with them. Let's create the new normal with what the world really needs. Love. Isn't that what the holidays are supposed to be about? May the spirit of Christmas and the light of Hanukkah bring us all together in peace. Happy holidays from Mark Alyn Communications, Late Night Health, Mark Alyn Cooks Your Dinner, Growing Old Sucks, Podclips.io, and Imagine BC.